Step into the fast lane of tech innovation, where rebels in the automotive world are cooking up something wild. Welcome to the realm of illegal car gadgets. Buckle up for a ride through the underground scene of car customization, where brilliant minds are crafting forbidden enhancements that flip the script on what your ride can do. Number 10. Radar Detector. In the world of motoring, the allure of radar detectors as an illegal car gadget is undeniable, promising to outsmart law enforcement radar systems. However, beneath the surface, these devices pose a silent peril. Operating a radar detector can lead to hefty fines and legal consequences, as it's illegal in many jurisdictions. More alarmingly, it jeopardizes road safety by encouraging reckless driving. By alerting drivers to police presence, radar detectors promote speeding, putting not only the user at risk, but also endangering the safety of others on the road. Ultimately, the pursuit of avoiding fines becomes a dangerous game with consequences that echo beyond the individual driver. Number 9. Nitrous Oxide System. The Nitrous Oxide Kit stands out as a tempting yet dangerous choice for speed enthusiasts. While it promises a sudden surge of power, the repercussions are far-reaching, both legally and in terms of safety. Nitrous oxide, commonly known as laughing gas, is not only a controlled substance but can lead to engine damage and increased wear. The sudden acceleration it provides can catch drivers off guard, posing a significant risk of accidents. Moreover, the release of nitrous oxide into the atmosphere contributes to air pollution and environmental degradation. Consequently, the thrill-seeking allure of nitrous oxide kits comes at a high cost, both to the individual and the surrounding environment, making it an illicit and hazardous choice for car enthusiasts. Number 8. Police Siren. The allure of a powerful police siren for personal vehicles may be strong, but it comes with serious legal and safety repercussions. While it boasts an impressive 200 watt of power, a 12-volt voltage, and a 15-ampere current, mimicking emergency vehicles raises significant legal concerns. The use of such gadgets for civilian cars is prohibited due to the potential for impersonation, with severe consequences. Law enforcement takes a dim view of civilians employing sirens resembling those used by police, ambulances, or fire trucks. Beyond the legal ramifications, there are inherent dangers, confusing other drivers, causing panic, and compromising public safety. The risks associated with these illegal gadgets far outweigh any perceived benefits. Number 7. Red-Blue Windshield Emergency Strobe Lights. Unveiling the Windshield strobe light with 16 dazzling LEDs illuminating up to 1.4 mile away. But why the caution? While boasting a 50,000-hour lifespan and easy suction cup installation, these attention-grabbing lights featuring 18 flash patterns may be more than meets the eye. The catch? Misuse can spell legal trouble, as red and blue lights are typically reserved for emergencies. The potential for confusion on the road poses risks, hindering drivers' ability to discern genuine emergencies from civilian vehicles. Moreover, the blinding effects could lead to accidents if not used responsibly. Before you rev up with these flashy lights, remember, prioritize safety and avoid unnecessary risks on the road. Number 6. 150 decibel super loud air horn. Introducing the 12-volt 150 decibel dual air horn, a solution for those moments when traditional car horns just won't cut it. Ever find pedestrians ignorant to your car or struggling to deal with road obstructions? The HK air horn promises a booming 150 decibel power sound, ensuring you're heard loud and clear. However, be cautious. This powerful gadget might sound tempting, but its super loud output can be a public nuisance and pose a danger to your surroundings. Excessive noise can lead to legal issues, disturb peace, and even contribute to accidents. Drive responsibly and consider the impact of your horn on others. Number 5. Window tint. While window tinting offers various benefits like heat and UV block, privacy protection, scratch resistance, HD vision, and excellent heat resistance, its illegal usage raises concerns. Improper installation or excessively dark tints can compromise road safety by reducing visibility for both the driver and pedestrians. Emergency responders may face challenges in assessing situations through heavily tinted windows. Moreover, illegal tints hinder law enforcement's ability to observe occupants during traffic stops, posing a potential threat. Balancing the advantages of window tinting with legal limits is crucial to ensure road safety and uphold privacy without compromising public security. Number 4. Cold air intake. The cold air intake, a tempting aftermarket upgrade for car enthusiasts seeking a guaranteed boost in horsepower and torque. Promising a growling engine on acceleration and improved towing performance, This gadget features reusable air filters, ensuring clean airflow while boasting durability. However, the allure of enhanced performance conceals potential legal and environmental pitfalls. In many jurisdictions, modifying a vehicle's air intake system could violate emissions regulations, posing harm to the environment and attracting legal consequences. While the promise of power is enticing, the line between legal performance enhancement and illegal gadgetry remains blurred. Number 3. Roof-mounted LED bars. In recent years, a vibrant story of change has unfolded, and one concerning trend has emerged: roof-mounted LED bars. While they may seem like a stylish addition to your vehicle, their placement raises serious safety concerns. By mounting bright lights above the standard headlight level, drivers risk blinding others on the road. Mirrors, strategically placed below headlights, serve a purpose. Any higher mounting can lead to dangerous reflections directly into drivers' eyes, temporarily impairing their vision. It's a perilous game of light that turns driving into a hazardous endeavor. Remember, style should never compromise safety on the road. Number 2. Loud exhaust system. Loud exhaust systems, popular among car enthusiasts, serve as a bold statement on the road. The appeal lies in the aggressive growl, a proclamation of horsepower and rebellion against the norm. However, the thrill comes with a price. It can land you in hot water. The excessive noise generated by these systems often breaches legal limits, inviting fines and even legal consequences. Beyond the legalities, the constant roar contributes to noise pollution, affecting both the driver's hearing and the tranquility of the community. So, while the rumble might be music to your ears, it's worth considering the harmonious balance between passion and responsibility. Number 1. Underbody Lighting Kit. Underbody lighting kits, once a trend in the automotive world, have taken a dark turn as they tread into illegal territory. While these neon illuminations may seem like a flashy way to customize your ride, they pose serious risks to both yourself and your surroundings. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, underbody lighting can be a distraction for drivers, leading to accidents and compromising road safety. Moreover, these kits often violate traffic regulations, attracting unwanted attention from law enforcement. The glare emitted by the vibrant lights can blind other drivers, creating hazardous conditions on the road. So, what may seem like a stylish addition can quickly turn into a dangerous and illegal choice, putting lives at risk. Thanks for watching.